Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make fabric medium at home. First, gather your materials. You'll need white PVA glue, water, and your chosen acrylic paint. The glue is the key ingredient, so make sure it's a good quality, non-toxic PVA type that dries clear. Having a dedicated mixing container and a stirring stick will make the process much smoother and cleaner for you. Now, let's get to mixing. Start by combining 2 parts of your white PVA glue with 1 part water in your container. Stir these 2 ingredients together very well until you have a smooth, consistent liquid with no lumps. Once that's done, add 1 part of your chosen acrylic paint to this glue and water mixture. This ratio ensures a good, workable fabric medium. With your fabric medium ready, it's time for application. Use a brush to apply the mixture evenly onto your fabric, just as you would with regular fabric paint. After application, let the treated fabric air dry completely for at least 24 hours. For best results and to ensure permanence, heat set the fabric with an iron on a medium setting, following the paint's instructions if available. For best results, always test your homemade fabric medium on a small, inconspicuous area of fabric first. If you have any leftover medium, store it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. It should remain usable for several weeks. This allows you to prepare larger batches for future projects. And for more great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.